Oh! What the hell? Oh! Kita mo? Oh my God! Manong oras po?
Music distribution has exploded. There's so much noise, so much clutter, so much streaming at all times. Jeppe Farfeld is co-founder of a startup called Linkfire. He says someone in Brazil may stream music with Clara Musica.
So resiliency is an innate characteristic that we all have.
Prevent a further spread of coronavirus. In response, a group of restaurant owners has filed suit, and Texas pro-business governor and attorney general have sided with the restaurants, saying the county overstepped its authority. Meanwhile, the El Paso City Council has passed an ordinance. Coughing or sneezing on another person could bring an assault charge. Jim Ryan, ABC News.
On Tuesday, the U.S. reported more than 131,000 new coronavirus cases, the highest one-day total so far.
What's this car doing? They like drove up on the
gas thing is open too.
Yeah, the gas.
And then they should put their emergency thing on.
Yeah. You're gonna hit the sign. What in the world are they thinking?
The mirror.
Yeah. You're gonna speed, right? What are you doing from my right? You're supposed to go right. What are you doing, buddy? What are you trying to do? Are you gonna zoom? Zoom. That's what I feel. You're gonna zoom in front of me. That's illegal. You have to go right. On the right too. Oh my God. People, what's going on? That's how they drive in New York. That was a bad driver.
By the MFSA, terms and conditions apply.
Għaddej sa Madonna, taf li roundabout day.
Really comfortable with.
Baħnan. Xizzo provajt għamel baħnan.
Continue on Quebec Street for 1.5 miles.
He was polite and friendly to the young woman sitting. That's but she wasn't.
Hey, Garmin. Okay, go.
People love these drive-by interactions. Others find them enormously distracting. But they're one of the main things that people say they miss.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Organic. Okay, Garmin.
Because everyone in that lane is moving to this lane in order to merge onto I-70. And you have people like this Jeep. Oh my god.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Jesus Christ.
This is the six-dimensional body of the proton projected into 3 space. The princeps extended a hand. When he saw that the science consul did not object, he touched the surface of the sophon. A very light touch pushed the sophon a considerable distance. It's very smooth.
Shivered. Come, Mama Thompson said. It's cold for me to see you like this. Let's warm up in the hot pool. Tamsin followed.
I knew where I was with Coke. It was an old friend. A sharp chemical rush surged up.
Oh.
Tiny specks of baking powder flavored dust.
They is dancing to.
They blocked it here too.
They is dancing to YMCA.
They blocked it here.
Shit is rough out here, Ken. They dancing to YMCA. Damn, he hit you, Ken. He hit you, Ken. He hit you, Ken.
Oh man, I gotta get him. Sorry.
Yeah. Huh? Hell yeah, he hit you, Ken. Yeah. Hold up, he hit you, Ken.
TXB
Hit you like that.
TXB 8387. He just hit me.
TXB 8387. Oh, somebody got the police lights on. Oh, you got that picture?
I got the camera, but.
Oh, you got the camera up there? He running, Ken. He on the wrong side of the road.
All right. That's fine.
That's the wrong side of the road. Oh, no,
that's fine. Now we good.
You got the picture, Ken?
I got a camera.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
That's why I got camera.
Look, they ain't trying to dip off.
God damn. Damn.